First Alert weather meteorologist Leah Hill.
We'll get some warmer air entering the Ozarks, but that's just going to help build some instability in the atmosphere, bringing us more rain and the potential for some thunderstorms. 64 is the high here in Springfield. These are the numbers that I want you to pay attention to. The heat index Sunday through Monday, because of the possibility for a rain and wintry mix. After dark is when I'm watching for the strongest storms to be pushing southward across the area. So the main areas to watch are going to be those northern counties. You'll notice we get this dip in the jet stream and we get some stronger winds aloft.
Temperatures outside right now are just above freezing, so I'm not seeing any problems on the evening commute.
4 a.m. it was 53 degrees, and then you'll notice cold fronts coming through. Temperatures are dropping. We're all going to have to keep those umbrellas handy basically every single day next week. When you're driving, it also looks like we'll have some more areas of fog that you have to watch out for.
First, we had some record hot temperatures on Saturday, then severe weather to start your week, and now, just when you think the cold weather is done, we have another frost tonight.
Behind that cold front, we'll get some cooler air entering the Ozarks. That's going to fuel some more rain. You want to drive extra slowly, leaving more than 4 car lengths between you and the person in front of you. A snow squall warning. If you haven't heard of it, well, it's only been around since November 1st.
Hail can be as small as a pea or the size of a baseball. The larger the size, the more damage to your home, your car, and your wallet. The low pressure system is going to be more towards the south, and if this happens, the chances for seeing snow here in the Ozarks does increase.
But overnight, it was pretty loud, Leah.
Oh my goodness, we got a good bit of lightning and thunder. I actually saw a picture earlier that was near Forsyth, and it just shattered a tree. That lightning did when it hit it. And some places saw nearly 2 inches of rain last night, which did bring some flooding concerns. I want to draw your attention to a little bit ahead. This is Monday at 7 a.m. Just some showers will be across the area. It's not a lot of rain I'm expecting on Monday, so I still think you'll have an opportunity to get outdoors. Tuesday is the day that I'm watching for our next chance at seeing some showers, even some thunderstorms. Some of them do look to be on the stronger side. This is at 5 p.m. on Tuesday, and you'll notice as they move eastward, they do gain a little bit of intensity. This is now 9 p.m. on Tuesday. So that'll be the day to watch for our next chance at seeing some thunderstorms across the board. And then on Friday, again, some more rain in the area. It doesn't look to be heavy rain. But here's the radar picture right now, and you'll notice this rain is really just not moving. It has been sitting over this area for the past couple of hours, moving very slowly. It will clear out. We're actually starting to see a little bit of clearing on the western side of Springfield, so good news there. Over the next couple hours, I do expect that rain to be out of our area. Flood watch is in effect through at 9 a.m. just because of how much rain we got last night, and already some of those rivers and lakes had some high water. So do be careful if you are driving out this morning. You don't want to ever drive through any flooded roadways. It can be very misleading how deep that water is. You never want to drive through flooded roads. This is the radar picture at 10 a.m. and you'll notice all that rain is mainly going to be out in our eastern counties. It's just hanging on for those eastern counties even through the noon hour. The rest of us west of 65, you'll notice starting to get that sunshine, and then by 2 o'clock, that's when I expect the rain to finally clear out of those eastern counties as well, and we'll all start to see that sunshine. Temperatures will also climb back up. We'll top out in the low 60s today for that high temperature. Tonight, a little bit chillier, dropping down to the 40s, and then Sunday, I think, is going to be the pick day of the weekend. You'll notice we're all going to be a bit on the warmer side, warmer than what this is showing. I'm expecting 70 degrees for the high temperature across the board tomorrow. One thing I do want you to be aware of today is that we have some gusty winds, upwards of 30 miles per hour. So that is something to keep in mind when you are outside. Looking at today, though, finally we'll start to get some sunshine after all that rain clears out around the noon hour. 63 for that high temperature, 65 down in Arkansas. Again, we'll have some gusty winds. Tonight, those winds will start to calm down. 43 and 44. We'll have a bit more cloud cover in the area. Some cloud cover tomorrow, but still temperatures reaching the 70 degrees. Can't complain about that. Monday, watching the chances of seeing some rain. Tuesday, watch closely. Again, that's the day that I'm watching for some thunderstorms. A front will come through that'll provide some lift in the atmosphere. We'll also have some warmer conditions. You'll notice high of 73 degrees and moisture. So those storms that do come in on Tuesday could be on the stronger side. Wednesday looks a bit better. Early in the morning is when we could just have a few drizzles, but it'll clear up in the afternoon. Thursday, it looks dry, high of 71 degrees. Friday, those temperatures are pushing the 80-degree mark, and I really think some of us are going to be reaching 80 degrees by next weekend.